First question. Amazing start! It's a hamburger. Can you guess the food by the emoji? The answer is potato chips. Do you know about this food? Correct! This food is a sandwich. What is the name of this food? You guessed it right! Donut! Can you identify the food represented by these emojis? That's right! It's an onion ring! What about this? The answer is hot dog. What is this food called? It's an ice cream. Can you tell Coco the name of this food? Pizza! This food is very popular with kids. Can you guess it? Yes, it's jelly beans. What is your guess? You guessed it right! Cheesecake! Can you guess this one? Correct! This food is pancakes. Tell Coco your options. What is this? Domino's Pizza. Have any ideas? The answer is French fries. What do you think of this food? It's an apple pie. This one is too easy to guess. That's right, it's a pumpkin pie. Do you know the food based on these two emojis? It's popcorn. Here's a hard one. Cornflakes! Can you recognize this food? The answer is French toast.